got these awesome miniature paint brushes by Nicpro. Let's do it!
We got these awesome Nicpro miniature paintbrush set here. Got a nice little carrying bag here, but here's everything out of the bag. You get 21 different brushes for any type of work that you're going to be doing. Now it is really nice and well organized. You got numbers on these brushes to tell you what you're using, and it has a nice little hilt there where you can put your finger and rest it so your hands don't get tired, and it comes with these nice little plastic covers to protect your brushes. And I just started painting a Warhammer miniature here. It was my first ever Warhammer miniature to paint, and I did a custom chapter called the Hollowed Sting here, based off the Hornets of the NBA, because I really love their color scheme. But overall, this is how it came out. The brush is painted well, picked up the paint and deposited on the model. Overall, I love these brushes and I would recommend.